Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study with Ishant. And today, as we're continuing the series of the toughest question of advance, I am back with another question of advanced 2013 mathematics. The question is from the chapter sequence and series, and this question was of 2013 J advanced paper number 1. The question was asked. The question is a very small question. Here you have been given a series Sn summation k is equal to 1 to 4n and minus 1 to the power k plus 1 by 2 upon into k square. Sorry. Then we have to know that what can be the possible values of Sn. These four options. It is a multi-correct question. So we will be solving this. So let us begin. First of all, you have been given a series C. Sn is what? Summation k is equals to 1 to 4n minus 1 की power k plus 1 by 2 into k square. This is the summation series. Now, you can't just do the hit and try method here for applying any of the methods of sequence and series. You have to open this series. So opening this series, see, the series will be opened like you put the values, different values of k, you get the different values here. Okay, so putting k is equal to 1, we got minus 1 to the power what? 1 into what? 1 into 2 by 2, it is 1, minus 1 to the power 1 into 1 square. Putting all the values k is equal to 2, so k is equal to 2 is what? Minus 1 to the power 2 into 3 by 2, so it means 3 into 2 ka square. And next, minus 1 to the power, you have put the value 3 into 4 by 2, 6, and now you can put the value as what? Minus 1 to the power, here I can write minus 1 to the power, what? Now you can put the value 4 into 5 by 2, okay, 4 into 5 by 2, means minus 1 to the power 10 into what? 4 ka square. Okay, 4 and then you have to put the value as 5. So 5 you can put, so 5 into 6 by 2, 2, 3, 15. Minus 15 into what? 5 square and so on. Now you can obtain a series here. The Sn can be written as C. This is what? This is minus 1 ka square. And the next one is what? Next one is also minus 2 square. And again the minus 1 to the power even. So this will become what? Plus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, then again minus 5 square means alternative double minus and plus are there, minus minus plus plus. So here also what? Minus 6 square and plus 7 square plus 8 square minus 9 square minus 10 square and so on. This series will go till what? Till 4n terms. Clear? Now what you will do here? What can you do here? Double minus, double plus sign. What can you do here? Now see, here's a trick. You need to apply a trick where you can combine 1 plus 1 term and 1 minus term together. What will be the benefit of that? See, if you combine plus 3 square and minus 1 square, so what will it become? See, Sn is what? You combine 1 plus term, 1 minus term. So 3 square minus 1 square, then what? 4 square minus 2 square, then what? 4 square minus 2 square, then 7 square minus 5 square, then plus 8 square minus 6 square. Okay, and this is what? You can write more terms here for obtaining the series. So next series will be what? Plus 11 square and plus 12 square. Okay, and this series will be till 4n. Okay, 8 square minus 6 square. Okay, then 9 square, 8 square minus 6 square. Okay, then this will be like this only, minus minus plus plus minus minus. Okay, then here will be what? 11 square minus 9 square, and like this only this term will go. Okay, so these are the number of terms which we have written. Now if you solve these terms, 3 square minus 1, it is what? 3 is a 9, 9 minus 1, 8, and 4 for the 16 minus 4, 12, 7 is the 49 minus 25, 49 minus 25, 24. Then this is what? 64 minus 36, 28. And the series is shown like this. Now this is a series that it became. Now how can you write the general term of this series? Many will think that we should take 4 common here. But no, my friend, 4 cannot be taken common here. You can take 4 common, but that would not be solvable. Or it will be too lengthy. You can take 2 common here. First of all, think about the lowest number. If you take 2 common here, it becomes 4 plus 3 plus 1, 2, 14 and so on. Now you will solve this series. How you will solve this series? See, 2, 6 over, so I'm sorry, a mistake is here. 6, so 2, 4, 6, 12, 28. Now, how will you solve this? See, if you see this term and this term, what is the difference? 4, 5, 6. Then the difference is what? Of 6. Then difference of 2. Means if we take these two terms as if we take these two terms and these two terms, then the common difference of 4 and 12 is what? 8. And the common difference of 6 and 14 is what? 8. Means we need to combine these two. And the series will be till nn. Okay. Because here we have combined the two terms. So here series will be what? 2n. Series will be till 2n. Okay. And here what? Here also 2n. So if we broke these two series in two parts. Okay. One series will be from 4 plus 12 and then plus 8 plus 8. Then another series of 6 plus 14 and till plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 until n terms. Then we apply the nth term of AP formula. Okay. See what we will do here. This is what? 2 common. 4 plus 12 and so on n terms. Okay, this is one sequence. Another is what? 6 plus 14 plus n. This is another. Now we will apply the nth term of AP formula in these two. And our answer will be there. See, this was a very good question. Okay. Now we will apply the nth series formula here. Now see, what is the general nth term of formula of AP? The nth term of formula of AP is a very easy n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Okay. So now see, the Sn will be what? 2. And you apply the formula here, n by 2. How many terms are there? N by 2. N by 2, 2a. What is the first term? 4. So 2a plus n minus 1. What is the common difference? 8. Next, n by 2. What is the first term? 6. 2a plus n minus 1 into 8. This is the final expression. Now take 2 common and cut down this. Then your Sn will be what? Sn will be n 4 to the 8 plus 8n minus 8. This is and plus n 12 plus 8n minus 8. And Sn will be what? N 8 cancel into 8n plus n 8n plus 4. Then you will solve this. Sn will be what? 8n square plus 8n square plus 4n. Okay. Now just simplify it and your answer is here. See, Sn will be what? Now Sn will be what? 8 is 16. 16n square plus 4n. This is the final Sn, means general term for this series. Now you can more simplify it for your answer. You can write it as 4n and 4n plus 1. This is the final Sn, means the general term. Now, what does this general term represents? How the question is, we need to find the which values can Sn take. So the nth term of this series is the multiple. The first term is multiple of 4, and second one is the plus 1 of multiple of 4. Means these two are consecutive terms. See, means if first term is 4, then second term is what? Then second term is 5. Now how will you solve it? You will just put the different values of n. You will put 1, you will get nothing. When you will put n is equals to 8, I'm telling you, when you will put n is equals to 8 and n is equals to 9, you will get what? Put n is equals to 8, so it is what? 8 for the 32 into 33. Okay, it will work 3 to the 6. The last term should be 6, means 1056. And next, n is equals to 9. 9 for the 36. 36 into 37. 7 6 are 42, means 1332. Means these two values it can take, means option number A and option number D are correct. You just have to put apply hidden trial method here, putting different values of n. If you put n is equals to 8 and n is equals to 9, your answer will come option number A and D. Okay. This was the question, and it was a very good question. I will not say that it was a very easy question. Yeah, it was a very good question of sequential series, which was asked in advance 2013. Okay, so stay tuned with my channel for more such videos. Subscribe to my channel, Study with Ishant, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good luck.